Hello everyone, thanks for reaching out and welcome to another video. Today we can talk about the overview of Amazon Seller Central. I will let you know how you can check your inventory, how you can place or go with shipments, how you can check your orders, how you can figure out your reports, your product detail pages, and how you can check your payments and everything. So today we can go through a complete guide for beginners about Amazon Seller Central. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So for that, we need to log in to any official Amazon Seller Central tab, like any tab which have Amazon Seller Central login. So for that we need to just sign into Amazon Seller Central. So this is the new layout which we change from new navigation to old navigation. Actually, this is how Amazon look like for the new after new update. So for that you need to go to previous one is quite easy and easy to understand. So we use the old navigation bars and everything to see Amazon process and Amazon everything. So here you can see catalog. In catalog, we can add product and we can complete our drafts. Drafts are basically while you're listing. Sometimes you just pause your listing and you can turn off your system, and then that listing saves to draft. So you can complete your draft from here. And in inventory tab, you have manage inventory. Manage inventory have all the listings. Why? It's FBM or FBA, all the listings. And in manage FBA, and second one is manage FBA inventory, where you can see only FBA inventory, and the third one is improve listing quality. Basically, Amazon provided some recommendations about our listing, so we can improve listing quality by completing those recommendations. Inventory planning is a tab where Amazon suggests or recommend you to go with inventory plan. By Amazon check your previous sales of that certain product, and give you recommendation like this is inventory you need to upload. This one is add a product, same as we see on catalog tab, and the third one is add product via upload. And this here we can go with like bulk upload file. You can go for bulk feeds to for your listings or anything to update your products categories. So the next one is inventory report. You can check your inventory report, like how much stock is in transit, how much stock is in FBA, how much stock, like how many units you sell, and how many units are pending somewhere at FBA. You can check all the report details, inventory reports here on inventory report tab. Sell globally option. If you're selling in United States and you want to go with the same listing across the globe, you can just check this. And this is very classy feature in Amazon Seller Center. Like you can sell across the world by using just one listing. So this is quite fantastic. Like you will not have to worry about reviews. The world Every customer see worldwide reviews of your listings. So the next one is manage FB shipments. You can process all the shipments and everything here on this tab. Like you can send shipments to Amazon, you can check their status, and you can print shipment labels, and you can go for prep services in that tab as well. So the next one is upload images. You can upload image on the listing page, as well as you can upload images here, which you can use for listing and everything. After upload, you can go for manage or upload videos. You can also upload videos, and the last one is manage product documents. You can also put product documents which are required for any product, like hazmat documents or something which is required by Amazon. So pricing is a pricing health. You can check why this price is good or not according to market. In pricing health, you can manage price, you can automate price. Automate pricing is basically Amazon up and down price based on the competition, based on other sellers' price. So negotiation pricing is where we can negotiate our price, like this is not feasible for us and this is feasible for us. On the orders tab, you have manage orders where you can see all the order status and everything about orders. And you can create MCF. MCF is basically merchant channel fulfillment. You can, if you have order in MFN, you can place by, you can ship that order by from your FBA inventory by doing this MCF order. You can check order reports, then you can upload order related files, you can manage returns, and you can manage safety claims. For advertising, you will have campaign manager where you can go for campaign and everything about advertisement, and then go for A plus content is basically EBCs. EBCs are enhanced brand content. Then you have wine program, which are new for reviewers. Like if you need to get some reviews, you can go for apply for wine program where Amazon send some notification to 5 or 6 buyers about their feedback on your product. Then you have deals. Deals basically when you opt for any deals like prime deals, other discounts, you can go for coupons. For prime exclusive discounts is basically for prime customers only. You can put prime exclusive discounts, and you can see a lot of boomed or potential on your sales after putting PEDs. PEDs is prime exclusive discounts. Now you have promotions and you have stores where you can manage your store. Like if you're brand registered and you have a certain sort of stores, two different stores, and you can manage those stores from here on this service center. You will have growth opportunities like fulfillment programs and Amazon programs where Amazon opt you based on your selling or on your everything. So you have reports where you can see your payment reports, Amazon selling coach, business report, fulfillment report, advertisement report, return report, custom report, tax document, libraries, and performance. And you have your account health, and in performance notification, you will see all the notification regarding your listing. Or if you have any violation, you can see everything over here on this performance notification tab. Voice of customer is like MCX rate. You can check your listing. MCX rate is basically negative customer experience. You can see how many customer return your product and everything, and then based on these information you can get your listing good, and you can change your description, etc. Seller university is basically Amazon tools help sellers in any field where they stuck. Like how to, if you're missing something about your listing or about your shipment, you can check this seller university. There are a lot of topic to learn from. And apps and services where you can link apps and websites and other kind of stuff, third party stuff to your Amazon seller center. You will get all the required codes from here. B2B is business to business. Business to business have a different sample. Like you can sell your product to just business with a different price and different promotions, different costings. So this will be for business to business, and you will also have business profile. You will have codes from your business, and you will accept or neglect those codes. So basically, this is the Amazon overview. If you want any time to go for something which you are missing, you can just go to need more help and get started, and you can just create a case with Amazon, and Amazon team will respond you back within 24 hours about your case, and then you can solve your problem by complaining to Amazon about anything which you're missing. So this is the basic overview of your Seller Central. I hope you like this video. If you're new, then please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. See you in the next video.